Welcome back to Nature's Fix. Today, we're diving beneath our feet to discover the hidden world of soil and how you can nurture it with 8 simple homemade fertilizers. Forget store-bought chemicals, nature provides everything we need right in our kitchens and backyards. The soil isn't just dirt, it's alive, and every plant depends on its health. Commercial fertilizers can disrupt this delicate balance. Our approach is gentler, feeding the whole ecosystem. By the end, you'll know how to enrich your garden naturally, cultivating vibrant plants without ever stepping into a garden store. Let's unlock the magic beneath our feet. First up, compost tea, a living elixir for your soil. Take mature compost, place it in a porous bag, and submerge it in rainwater or dechlorinated water. Use a 1:5 compost to water ratio. Aerate with an aquarium pump for 24-36 hours to multiply beneficial microbes. Once it's dark and frothy, use it immediately, dilute if needed, and pour at the base of your plants. This delivers billions of microbes right to the roots, breaking down organic matter and boosting plant health. Compost tea doesn't just feed, it restores the soil food web. Plants grow stronger, more resilient to drought, pests, and disease. It's a holistic boost for your entire garden. Brew, drench, and watch your plants thrive. Simple, natural, and powerful. Next, let's harness the ocean's power with fish emulsion. Use fish scraps, heads, bones, guts. Combine with sawdust or leaves and a splash of molasses. Place in a sealed container, cover with water, and let ferment for several weeks. Strain the liquid. The solids can go in your compost. Dilute the emulsion, a tablespoon or 2 per gallon of water. Apply as a soil drench or foliar spray for a rapid nutrient boost. Rich in nitrogen and phosphorus, it's perfect for leafy growth and strong roots. You'll see greener leaves and sturdier stems fast. This ancient method recycles waste into garden gold. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Use sparingly and enjoy the results. The sea's vitality, right in your backyard. From the shore, we gather seaweed, nature's resilience in plant form. Rinse off salt, then use as mulch or steep in water for a few weeks to make a liquid fertilizer. Seaweed delivers over 60 trace minerals and natural growth hormones. Dilute the liquid until it's light brown, then water your plants. It boosts root growth, flower set, and stress resistance. Seaweed helps plants handle drought, pests, and temperature swings. It's a gentle, powerful way to strengthen your garden. Borrow the ocean's endurance for your plants. Manure tea is a time-tested way to feed your garden. Use only well-aged, composted manure from herbivores, never fresh. Place in a porous bag, steep in water, 1:5 ratio, for 1-2 weeks. Dilute until it's the color of weak tea before applying. Pour around heavy feeders like tomatoes and squash. Manure tea provides balanced, slow-release nutrients and supports soil microbes. It's gentle, safe, and mimics natural nutrient cycles. With each application, you're closing the loop, feeding plants and soil together. Honor tradition, and watch your garden flourish. Wood ash is a mineral-rich amendment, high in potassium and calcium. Sprinkle a light dusting on vegetable beds or around potassium-loving plants. It raises soil pH, so avoid using on acid-loving plants. Always use ash from untreated clean wood. Wood ash improves fruit quality, disease resistance, and soil structure. Test your soil's pH before applying. Use sparingly. Too much can harm plants. It's a free, natural way to return the forest minerals to your garden. Don't toss those eggshells. Turn them into a slow-release calcium boost. Rinse, dry, and grind shells into a fine powder. Mix into planting holes or sprinkle around established plants. Calcium strengthens cell walls and prevents blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. Fine powder breaks down faster, making nutrients available sooner. Store in a dry container for year-round use. Some gardeners use crushed shells to deter slugs too. Simple, sustainable, and effective. Molasses isn't just sweet, it's a feast for soil microbes. Dissolve a tablespoon or 2 of unsulfured blackstrap molasses in a gallon of water. Use as a soil drench every few weeks or add to compost tea. Molasses fuels beneficial bacteria and fungi, unlocking nutrients for your plants. It also adds potassium and trace minerals. Boost your soil's life and energy with this easy, affordable trick. Turn your garden into a thriving microbial metropolis. Epsom salt, hydrated magnesium sulfate. Quickly fixes magnesium and sulfur deficiencies. Dissolve 1-2 tablespoons in a gallon of water, drench soil or spray leaves monthly. Perfect for tomatoes, peppers, and roses. Magnesium is vital for photosynthesis. Sulfur builds strong, flavorful plants. Watch for yellowing leaves. Epsom salt brings back green vitality fast. It's a simple, targeted remedy for healthier, more productive plants. Fast, effective, and easy to use. There you have it. 8 homemade fertilizers to transform your garden using what you already have. These methods are safe, sustainable, and deeply connected to nature's cycles. Experiment, observe, and watch your garden thrive with new vitality. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe, and share Nature's Fix. Until next time, may your gardens be full of life.